Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on wedding invites with Vistaprint, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Vistaprint website and create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the wedding invitations section. Choose from a variety of customizable templates that suit your wedding theme. Select a template that catches your eye and click on it to start editing. Customize the text by entering your names, wedding date, and other important details. Adjust the font style, size, and color to match your wedding aesthetics. Explore the design options to add images or graphics if desired. Use the built-in tools to rearrange elements or change the layout of your invitation. Review the invitation carefully, checking for any errors in the text. Once satisfied with the design, click on the preview option to see how it will look printed. After previewing, choose the quantity of invitations you need. Look for any available discounts or promotions before finalizing your order. Select your preferred paper type based on your budget and style preference. Proceed to checkout and enter your shipping information. Complete your payment using your preferred method. Wait for confirmation of your order via email. When your invitations arrive, review them for quality and accuracy. Now you're ready to send out your beautiful wedding invites without breaking the bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.